Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and I'm doing a long-term review of these solar-powered security lights. These are motion activated, which is really cool, and they run on a solar panel that could be installed on your roof or on the side of your house, or it could be on a shed or something, but they are very powerful and very bright. This one I have actually comes with the hardware already. All you do is mount the two screws onto the wall, slide this thing down, and then run the power cable to the solar panel. Usually it comes with a pretty long cable, so you can put this on your shed or whatnot. So it's very useful. And I added a few of these around the house so that I could light up alleyways as well as the side of the house. As you can see, the wire just goes straight up through my roof. I drilled a little hole and sealed it. But you can also put it next to it on the wall as long as it faces the sun so you could charge up. It takes about 3 days for this thing to charge, but the power on this thing is really bright. If you're gonna get one, make sure you get one that's at least 1,000 lumens, but if you get 2,000 lumens, it's even better. The fact that you have this, that you don't have to run power, it makes it very efficient, very easy to install. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this quickie review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.